Hey everyone, it's me again. I just want to thank you again for grabbing your top 100 weight loss, health, and fitness tips ebook. It's a great start, full of knowledge to help you on your journey, and it's on its way to your inbox right now. But before you go, I just want to tell you about a book I wrote, and I had published on Amazon Kindle called Mindful Eating. Pretty excited about it. I personally wrote this ebook to help promote mindful eating to all of you. Being mindful and aware of your eating helps you gain control over your eating habits. It involves paying attention to the present moment and simply eating with full awareness of your food and the entire eating process. It's been shown to promote healthy weight loss, reduce binge eating, and help you feel better. You know, most people just sit down for a meal and mindlessly fill themselves up or mindlessly snack throughout the day. We often overeat because we aren't paying attention to whether we're full or not. We just eat to eat. And we eat unhealthy food because we really don't give serious thought to the nutritional value of our meals we're eating. This 5-chapter ebook starts with Chapter 1 and discusses what is mindful eating. Chapter 2 talks about discovering your eating cycle. Chapter 3 is about stress-related eating. Chapter 4 discusses food and your mood. And then you have Chapter 5, which talks about a suggested process for eating mindfully. If you're really serious about your journey, being mindful is a huge part of the process, and I know you'll learn a lot from this ebook. So skip the Amazon Kindle, fill out your information below, and I can send this right to your inbox for only $7. That's the cost of a couple Starbucks coffees. I promise you won't regret it if you use these tools. It's a great addition to your journey. Cheers, guys.